Welcome class. Welcome class to our subject dispute resolution and crisis management. To my students in section Delta and to other sections who listens and hear this, watch my program in studying criminology subjects. Nag-aralan natin ng nakaraan ng tungkol sa mga lessons natin about criminal theories in regard to dispute resolution and crisis management. Pag-aralan natin etymological with the conflict or conflict in its etymological word. Ngayon, nagsagot tayo ng quiz at nagpa-assignment ako sa inyo nung nakaraan. Nag-aralan natin yung mga batas na in relation po sa Ngayon naman, yung tinatawag na the Alternative Dispute Resolution Act of 2004 or Republic Act 9285. Bigyan ko lang kayo ng recap. The Republic Act 9285 refers to any means of settling disputes outside the courtroom. Pag-aayos po ng mga problema, sigalot sa labas ng korte. The ADR is neutral evaluation. Neutral lang po siya. Evaluation, negotiation, conciliation, mediation, and arbitration. Yan po yan. That negotiation allows the parties to meet in order to settle a dispute. Mediation is informal alternative to litigation. Mediators are individual trained in negotiations. Yan po yan. Litigation and court trials are extremely expensive and risky propositions, and there is no certainty that a trial will bring a fair or just ruling for a case. Remember, Republic Act number 9285. This act is known as the Alternative Dispute Resolution Act of 2004. Okay, proceed to our second session subject. The Alternative Dispute Resolution Act of 2004. The policy of the state regarding alternative dispute resolution. It is hereby declared that the policy of the state to actively promote party autonomy in the resolution of dispute or the freedom of party to make their own arrangement to resolve their dispute. The state shall encourage and actively promote the use of alternative dispute resolution, ADR, as an important means to achieve speedy and impartial justice and the clogged court dockets. Para maiwasan po yung madaming pila ng mga kaso sa korte, sa mga problema na maaari namang masolusyonan agad. The state shall provide means the use of ADR as a efficient tool, an alternative procedure for the resolution of appropriate case. The state shall enlist active private sector participation in the settlement of the dispute through ADR. The question: does RA 9285 limit the power of the Supreme Court to adopt any ADR system? Okay. Answer is no. This act shall be without prejudice to the adoption by the Supreme Court of any ADR system such as mediation, conciliation, arbitration, or any combination thereof as a means of achieving speedy and efficient means of resolving case pending before all courts in the Philippines, which shall be governed by such rules as the Supreme Court may approve from time to time. Section 2, Republic Act 9285. Alternative dispute resolution. An alternative dispute resolution system is any way to settle an agreement without going to court or taking to a government official as defined by Republic Act 9285. It includes arbitration, mediation, conciliation, early neutral evaluation, mini trial, or any combination of these. Additionally, it includes neutral third party who else settled the issue. Section 3, Paragraph A, Republic Act 9285. Dispute resolution and crisis management. Yan po yung ating fokusan itong batas na to, 9285. Arbitration. Ano nga meron sa arbitration? Arbitration means a voluntary dispute resolution process in which one or more arbitrators appointed in accordance with the agreement of the parties or rules promulgate pursuant to Republic Act 9285 resolve a dispute by rendering award. Okay? It resolve dispute by rendering an award. Section 3, Paragraph D, Republic Act 9285. Note, an award means any partial or decision or final decision by arbitrator in resolving the issue of or controversy. Arbitrator. An arbitrator is the person appointed to render an award alone or with others in a dispute that is the subject of an arbitration agreement. Yan po yung arbitrator. Section 3, Paragraph E, Republic Act 9285. What is the early neutral evaluation? Pag sinabi natin early neutral evaluation, this means an ADR process wherein parties and their lawyers are brought together early in the pre-trial phase to present summaries or their cases and receive a non-binding assessment by an experienced neutral person with expertise in the subject matter of a dispute. Section 3, Paragraph N, Republic Act 9285. What is mediation? Mediation means a voluntary process in which a mediator selected by the disputing parties facilitates communication and negotiation and assist the parties in reaching a voluntary agreement regarding a dispute. Yan po siyang mediation. Section 3, Paragraph Q, Republic Act 9285. There are 4 principles of mediation. Ano-ano yung 4 na yon? Una, mediation is voluntary. Both of you have to want to mediate in either. You can stop the mediation process at any time. Pag sinabi natin mediation are impartial, okay? Mediation are impartial, the mediator does not take sides and is always there for both of you. Ika-4, mediation is confidential. Confidential po. In mediation, the clients are in charge. Okay? Mediator. A mediator is a person who conducts mediation. Section 3, Paragraph R, Republic Act 9285. Mediation party. This means a person who participates in mediation and whose consent is necessary to resolve the dispute. Section 3, Paragraph S, Republic Act 9285. Yan po yung mediation party. Pag sinabi natin mediation arbitration or MEDARB is a step-by-step dispute resolution process involving both mediation and arbitration. Dalawa po. Mediation arbitration. Section 3, Paragraph T, Republic Act 9285. Pag sinabi naman natin mini trial, this means unstructured dispute resolution method in which the merit of the case are argued before a panel comprising senior decision makers with or without the presence of the neutral third person. Alter with the parties seek and negotiate settlement. Makikita po natin yan sa Section 3, Paragraph U, Republic Act 9285. Anong pagkakaiba ng arbitration, mediation, at conciliation? What are the difference? Una, ang arbitration, mediation, and conciliation are the main alternative dispute resolution. Alternative dispute resolution. Okay? Yan po yung main. The mechanism that are generally adopted by the people to resolve their dispute in an informal manner. Pag sinabi natin alternative dispute resolution, informal manner na pag-aayos. Okay? They are to reach a solution by settlement or negotiation with the assistance of the third neutral party. which was turned out to be an effective alternative to a litigation process. What is arbitration? Arbitration is a process where the parties submit their case to a neutral third party who on the basis of discussion determines the dispute and comes to a solution. Ito yung arbitration. Pag sinabi natin mediation and conciliation, they are both informal process. Whereas arbitration is more formal. Compared to them, in mediation, the mediator generally sets out alternatives for the parties to reach an agreement. So, natin yan na mediation and conciliation. Informal process po yun. Pag sinabi natin arbitration, yan po yung formal. Nag-gets ba natin class? Delta and other sections? Hotel, India, and Kilo. Third year. Meron po tayong 10 item exam. Siguro sa susunod na lang po ito yan isasama dyan sa activity natin. Pinagawa kong assignment. Nagawa kayo ng patungkol sa case or na alam nyo na pwedeng hindi na idaan sa korte. 500 words in minimum po ha. Sulatin po natin in handwriting. Then, ipasa po sa akin sa yellow pad. Picturean nyo po yan. Isend nyo po sa akin. Yan po ha. Anuin ko po kayo sa susunod na pag-aaralan po natin yung Office of Alternative Dispute Resolution. Okay class, thank you for listening and watching. See you in the next meeting in classroom. Thank you.